System tests. Control tests with the platform. All right, so we're going to grab this, copy paste it, put it there. We're then going to get rid of that. Electrical images, PCB layout. Preliminary PCB assembly. Assembly testing is complete. The order of design is finished, and the custom PCB was ordered. This PCB was validated using a multimeter to verify continuity between the appropriate pins before beginning. Miss Sim, welcome in. How's it going? Assembly. The board. We're working on my capstone report today. So what you're looking at is Overleaf, which is a LaTeX editor. And this is my capstone report. So currently doing some write-up on our the work and testing and everything that we've done. If you have questions about LaTeX or otherwise that you would like to know, then please feel free to ask. This is a bit more of a work lurky stream than anything else, but you know, I'm always more than happy to talk about capstone or otherwise as we go through. Distribution could be verified. This somebody can be bigger ref PCB build. Alright, the base components are attached with the base components. Board for connecting any external devices. Once the PCB was verified, the electrical system could be constructed and mounted on a compact platform to allow for compact platform. This platform allowed for the running of the motors and testing the software outputs. Wow, that's this platform, this platform, this platform. Nope. Testing the various inputs and outputs. The motors responded both to orientation control for the microcontroller, as well as velocity inputs from the remote control, as well as manual control systems. the system was further tested. The frame was complete. However, it this testing allowed the electrical system to be implemented in the frame quickly and easily, with the knowledge that any odd behavior are from caused by set wiring. Knowledge the setup final construction of the aircraft quickly and smoothly under control operating as expected. Perfect. So now that we've done all that extra writing, you can see that right now this is our entire electrical testing section with this one particular figure. This is currently figure 25. I have now added a new figure above it. Scene figure ref test. So now if I recompile my document, you're going to see the new image show up. This is going to push everything down, add in the new text, and then update all of my figure numbers, all of my figure references, all of that other good stuff. As I said before, this document takes a minute to compile because it is about 75 pages long. So it is a lot of chunkage to roll through, and there's a lot of... it's actually only about 60 pages of text with, you know, a further 15 plus pages of appendices and such of that nature. Appendix. Yeah, I don't understand that comment, but yeah, this is nice because this allows me to show off the board a little bit, show the basic assembly that was all done. And yeah, so that's the electrical assembly. That's happy days. I don't think I ever saw the conclusion of your project. Did you ever get the lift you wanted or improve much? You know what? I can show you exactly what the conclusion of our project was. So there's that, which is basically the slow motion of the cylinder in the wind tunnel at a low wind speed. So you can see that cylinder, the airflow effect that we've been talking about this whole time, where the air going over the top of the cylinder is being accelerated and pulled down, and then that air going along the bottom of the cylinder is really getting messed up, which is causing that low pressure and high pressure zone. And you can see that our stagger of the front and back cylinders is working really well. Back cylinder is getting plenty of clean air, and overall, we were able to generate this plot among a couple of others, and ended up creating over 2 kilograms of lift. So it was like 22 odd newtons was our peak, and that was sustained average over a minute and a half. Following the trends, if we'd been able to test as high as we wanted to, we probably would have actually seen higher values than that, but we were having an issue with one of the motors on the day of. It wasn't spinning quite as fast as it should.